Oh, I'm driving.
Where'd you go? It's just your arms coming out of
There
the
we go.
water.
So we spawned. We got a boat, an upside down boat.
Oh, what the hell?
Can you run out of breath?
Wait, can we raise the anchor?
You just went real deep there.
You can run out
Let
of
me
breath.
try and-
Yes, you can run out of breath.
Oh,
I hear you
go up.
doing it right now.
Yeah.
You have quite a bit of breath, but you can run out. Okay, I'm gonna try to. There we go. Okay. Oh God, I don't know what I'm looking at, but I'm trying to raise the anchor. I want to see if this boat will float away.
I'll do that. Hey, I can open up the sails here.
You got the sails up?
Yeah.
Okay, come on, anchor. Come on,
You,
anchor.
as soon as...
Don't drown, don't drown, don't drown, don't drown, don't drown, don't drown. Oh, I drowned. But the boat's moving. It's moving.
We're sailing?
We're sailing. I'm drowning.
Oh,
Because it dropped me really deep.
Oh, the boat's getting away!
Okay, this is hilarious, but... Okay, hang on to the ladder.
Maybe another mermaid will come and fix it.
Come grab the ladder.
It's just turning.
Oh God. Yeah, if you clip onto something, you get shot down to the bottom of the ocean. Do we have any explosive barrels? It looks...
you might be able to blow them up, that's right.
Yeah, you can blow it up. It looks very spooky from underwater, though.
Yeah. And also, like,
I think I'm gonna drown myself.
broken.
Yeah, we might just have to redo it.
I'll just try the cannon really quick.
Does it work underwater?
Me.
Okay, I'm being pushed by the boat. I got in front. I'm just being pushed. Bye!
No. Okay.
Oh no, I
Start over.
missed to go underneath. Shoot, 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 shoot. Come on. Okay, yeah, I think we're gonna need to just start over.
So close.
Well, this is a new bug I haven't. Man, look how spooky that looks. It's like Davy Jones' boat. Just sailing away underwater. And then it looks derpy as hell from up top.
From above.
Yeah.
That's not how boats work.
No. Okay, yeah, let's go ahead.